Stretched resolution is a display technique where a lower resolution image, typically in 4:3 aspect ratio, is stretched horizontally to fill a widescreen monitor. This technique is extremely popular in competitive first person shooter games like Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, and Fortnite because it makes player models appear wider and more visible. Here we can see how the same character model appears at different aspect ratios. Notice how the pixel width increases as we move from 16:9 to more stretched ratios like 4:3. The most common stretched resolutions include 1440 by 1080, 1350 by 1080, 1280 by 960, and 1024 by 768. Each provides a different level of stretching and visual advantage. Most Sceptre gaming monitors manufactured from 2020 onwards support custom resolution scaling. Recent firmware updates have significantly improved stretched resolution stability. Whether you're playing Counter-Strike, Valorant, or Fortnite, stretched resolution can provide that competitive edge by making targets more visible and easier to track. There are three primary methods to implement stretched resolution on your Sceptre monitor. Each method offers different advantages depending on your specific setup and preferences. Method 1 uses your graphics card's control panel. For NVIDIA users, access the NVIDIA control panel through the desktop right-click menu, then navigate to Change Resolution Settings. Create a custom resolution by clicking Customize, then Create Custom Resolution. Set your desired stretched resolution like 1440 by 1080 and ensure scaling is set to full screen for proper stretching. For AMD graphics cards, the process is similar, but through AMD Radeon settings. Navigate to Display Settings, create your custom resolution, and enable GPU scaling set to full panel. Method 2 uses your Sceptre monitor's built-in on-screen display menu. Access the OSD using your monitor's physical buttons, typically located on the bottom or side of the display. Navigate to Picture or Display Settings within the OSD menu. Look for aspect ratio or scaling options, then select Full or Stretch mode to enable the stretched resolution display. Method 3 configures stretched resolution directly within games. Set your game to windowed or borderless windowed mode. Then configure the game's resolution settings to your desired stretched ratio. Use your monitor's scaling feature to fill the entire screen. You may also need to adjust Windows display scaling settings to ensure optimal visual quality and proper aspect ratio handling. These three methods allow you to achieve stretched resolution on your Sceptre monitor. The transformation stretches a 4:3 aspect ratio to fill your 16:9 widescreen display, providing the visual advantages preferred by competitive gamers.